down-to-earth counselor. This time last year, during hurricane season, my family and I experienced significant levels of devastation. But guess what? I want you to know the pathway to prosperity is there for you one day at a time. Make effective decisions ahead of time by having your hurricane kit ready, by having resources financially saved up, even if it's $5 a month. Something is better than nothing. Also, I will post some resources for you to check out before the season begins to know how to prepare yourself financially. We have credit repair businesses, financial literacy classes to be taken. I don't want anyone to ever experience what being unprepared will do to your life. The pathway to prosperity is here today, making the right decisions one day at a time. Combat that situation in life by being prepared like I'll be this time. Have a God bless day.